Kaisda! Ha! Lorraine Kaisda is back. And for today's discussion, we will discuss and learn together about food-borne diseases. So what are you waiting for? Kaja! Let's get started! Kaisda, do you have any idea what is food-borne disease? Yes, you're right. It is a disease or illness caused by consuming or taking contaminated food. And that contaminated food contains microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, or even parasites. And that is very, very harmful to our health. So we must take an extra care and to mitigate that problem, we should be applying personal hygiene. Hi, Kaisda! I am Kaisda Lori. Since Kaisda Lorraine discussed and introduced to you what is food-borne disease, so now I will introduce to you with my friends. There are three. They are Peter the parasites, Becky the bacteria, and Via the virus. Are they cute? No, they are not, because they are one of the factors that can contaminate your food. So be careful to them. You should not be friends with them. Remember, Kaisda.
Hi, I'm Becky the bacteria.
And I'm Via the virus.
Peter the parasite.
So, Kaisda, I will introduce to you the three most common or popular food-borne diseases. These are hepatitis A, cholera, and lastly the anisakis simplex. Do you know what is this? Don't you worry, I'll help you and our team will help you to discuss what is these diseases, what are the symptoms of these diseases, the agent of these diseases, and also the most important is the preventive measure for these diseases. What is cholera? Cholera is an infectious disease caused by Vibrio cholerae that can cause severe watery diarrhea, and in some cases, it can cause vomiting to the infected host.
Food source for this disease could be from fish or shellfish, from contaminated waters, or from raw ingredients that are irrigated or washed with contaminated waters. To mitigate this disease, there are 6 preventive measures to be followed. First, disinfect the food. Wash it thoroughly. Second, cook foods properly. Use potable water. Wash your hands, equipments, and cooking surfaces thoroughly before handling the food. Keep food refrigerated at 5 degrees Celsius or 41 Fahrenheit or less. And lastly, we must have personal hygiene and we must wash our hands properly to avoid this contamination.
Hepatitis A is a viral liver disease that can cause mild to severe illnesses.
To mitigate this disease, we should always use potable water avoid cross-contamination or direct contamination by the food handler. And lastly, cook food properly at 88 degrees Celsius for at least 1.5 minutes. Or boil your food in water for at least 3 minutes.
Anisakis simplex is a disease of parasitic disease caused by anisakid nematodes or the roundworm.
These diseases are common in fishes, calamari, inkfish, and octopus. To prevent infections and contamination, fish should be cooked until the inside stays at 63 degrees Celsius for at least 15 seconds. Croquettes at 68 degrees Celsius